that bag, go get it one day, you can brag. Say that I have it, you know that I got it, no need to look all in the bag. Something like this, cause
I'm Coach Jack. I use they, them pronouns all the time, and I use she, her pronouns when it's a little bit extra fruity. I think this is my 4th year being a coach, and I work mainly with folks who are very new to gym spaces or have only been in gym spaces for a couple of years pretty much, and I think that that's where my real passion is. So I'm a coach because I want to help people have a bit of a safe space where they can overcome that initial fear of accessing fitness as a hobby and help to educate someone and connect someone with their own body again so that they can enter any space in the world and be able to trust that they are moving their body in a way that is safe and affirming for them. I think my favorite part about the coaching journey is just the mundane sort of day-to-day of seeing someone gradually develop a really strong understanding of their own body. They're spearheading it and I'm just here to show a safe path for it. A bit of a fun fact about me is that while I'm coaching, I've got a fairly sort of like playful but organized most of the time sort of demeanor, but outside of coaching, it's chaos out there. I'm the coach who will be there just day in, day out to help you gradually find what feels affirming and empowering for you in movement and what that means for you.